The Columbia City Council will hear an update on COVID-19 in Boone County tonight. ABC 17's Sydney Olson is live at City Hall with Mayor Brian Treece. And Sydney, leaders will discuss the current health order that's in place right now.
Deb, that discussion comes as the number of new cases each day has fluctuated. I want to say thanks for joining us again tonight, Mayor Treece. Welcome.
Sydney, good evening.
We can go ahead and dive into those numbers. Now, health leaders have said that it may take a while because of the holiday to see how this current order is impacting the numbers. But so far, based on what we've seen, what do you think about the effectiveness?
Well, first of all, we know cases were going to rise, and that was why we took the steps early on this year with both the stay-at-home order to prepare our hospital capacity and PPE equipment, but also the mask mandate to make sure that we are all exhibiting good behavior because, look, the reality is we have 30,000 new people living in our house now, and the numbers are going to increase. Friday, we'll see the first two-week result from our most recent health order, but 2 weeks from yesterday, we'll see another influx of cases from the Labor Day weekend. So it's really about looking at the data and something I check every day.
Obviously, this is something that some college students may have been bummed about since they're new to town and trying to explore the area, but have you seen good compliance with the order? Have you had any pushback on it so far?
Look, it's a mixed bag. I think for 95% of the public, they take those social cues. When other people wear a mask, they wear a mask. And that was the type of behavior that we wanted to try to emulate here in Columbia. And I think for the most part, as people get used to this new normal, they're going to follow that, and hopefully we see the results. I'd hate to see the numbers of what it would look like without a mask mandate, without some of the reduced exposure from the most recent health orders.
Now, speaking of college-age students, there are currently 658 active cases on MU's campus. Can you talk about how this has impacted discussions that you city leaders have had with university leaders?
Well, I talk to the university, on a regular basis, sometimes daily, about their experiences, and we all want to be managing the increase of cases. We knew cases were going to rise. What we all need to do is make sure that we're managing them properly, and I want to make sure that we have a plan B in place if this plan is not going to work, how we begin to reduce those numbers, and we do that through better contact tracing, through increased no-barrier testing, and better enforcement of the laws that we already have with respect to these health orders.
All right, thank you so much. And then, of course, tonight you guys will be discussing as a council the current health order and hearing an update from the director of the health department, Stephanie Browning. And I will be sitting in on that meeting, and we'll have the latest out of tonight's city council meeting tonight at 9 and 10. Reporting live in Columbia, Sydney Olson, ABC 17 News.